Welcome everyone to today's video on emerging trends in educational technology. First and foremost, we must recognize the acceleration of growth in the world of technology. In just the last decade, we have seen exponential growth in areas of technology from processors to social media to technology that we use to view the world. Because of this growth, we have an opportunity by adapting it to the educational environment to improve students' awareness and promote skills to help them in the 21st century. When considering 21st century skills, we need to make sure our students have good learning skills and life skills. But how technology integration helps us is in the world of technology literacy. Understanding information, media, and technology will help the students adapt to their ever-changing world. Today, for emerging trends in technology education, we'll be understanding and seeing a different view of immersive learning with AR and VR in a high school setting of technology education. Technology education is a broad subject that is ever-changing depending on the industries of America. Because it is ever-changing, the use of AR and VR adapts to the scenarios very well and allows schools to have a better option other than the inherent costly effect of always buying new resources. AR, known as augmented reality, is an interactive experience of the real world where objects reside in the real world are enhanced by computer-generated perspective. It is a great way to record and interact with different machinery, different environments, and to get a different perspective on something that we may not understand with just our eyes. VR, for virtual reality, is a computer-generated simulation of a three-dimensional world and environment. With the use of electronic equipment, we can interact with this world, and we can use it for entertainment and education, and it allows us to understand complex themes with the use of VR. Now, both AR and VR has known to have an entertainment theme. But if used correctly, they can have great benefits for the world of education. A few benefits include the ability to have a passive experience, to explore with a hands-on approach to different learning. It helps understand subjects, theories, and concepts, and it is suited to many types of learners, including, but not excluding, visual and audio. With all great technologies that we adapt to the classroom, we also run into challenges. There may be some long-term effects due to prolonged exposure. We could possibly diminish real-world interactions with our students. And there is a privacy issue when it comes to facial recognition. We live in the 21st century and we need to take the proper procedures in order to adapt our learning to the students. Thank you for watching our video on emerging trends in technology by focusing on AR and VR in the high school technology setting.